Hi. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to convert HTML to PDF using PDF.co and Bubble API connector. You can see the link to the full tutorials in the description box below. Come and check out PDF.co for more info. So let's begin. First, log into your Bubble account. Go to My Templates page, and click on the Create a Template button. Next, fill out the template form to create a new template. Now, let's build a form. Click on Multiline Input for HTML code. Next, add two input for names and profiles. And click Button to submit the form. After building the form, go to Plugins tab, and click on the Add Plugins button. Now, install the API connector plugins. After installing the API connector plugins, click on the Add Another API button. Let's set up the API connector configuration. In the API name field, type in your desired API name. For the name field, enter your preferred name. Select the action option for use as, and choose your preferred data type. Then select Post for method, and enter the PDF.co HTML to PDF endpoint. You can get the endpoint in the description box below. Now, let's add the headers. Type X API key for the key. And enter your PDF.co API key for the value. You can get the API key in your PDF.co dashboard. Let's add another headers. Type accept for the key. And add application/PDF for the value. Let's add a parameters. Type in HTML for the key. And input the raw HTML code for the value. Next, type names for the key. And enter result for the value. Then type profiles for the key. And add brace for the value. Then tick on the Queries checkbox. And click on the Initialize Call button. Once the API connector was set up correctly, PDF.co HTML to PDF will return a sample value. After saving the results, go to the Workflow tab, and click on the box to add an event. Then select the elements, and an element is clicked option. Now, click on the Add an Action button, and select the PDF.co HTML to PDF. Let's insert the dynamic data, and select the multi-line input HTML's value. Let's add another action. Click on the navigation, and choose the Open an External Website. Then choose the result of HTML to PDF spot a URL for the destination. And click the Preview button to fill out the form. Let's fill out the form. First, input the raw HTML code. Next, add the PDF output file name. Then add the braces for the HTML code. Now, click the Submit button to see the result. Here's the generated PDF output from HTML. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website, or visit on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.